Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn how to get started with Laravel. So first let us see what are the requirements to get started with Laravel. So now let us go to Google Chrome and go to this website called fundofwebit.com. Here we can get the clear specification like what are required to get started with Laravel. So here click installing Laravel, and in this video we are going to learn how to use Laravel in 5.8 version of Laravel. So here you can use this video for reference, like if you want a higher level of thing, but we are going to use just Composer and XAMPP for now. This is just basic requirement. Git bash is if you want to work with GitHub or Git, then you can use this. VS Code is the basic editor which we use, and we are going to install Laravel project with the help of Composer. So Composer, you can see it's written here, Laravel uses Composer to manage all its dependencies. So you can get the Composer from here. I'll just paste this link in the description so it will be easy for you to refer. So that if you want to install the global installer, Laravel installer, you can do this. Or the use of this is when you want to create a new Laravel project, you can just give the small command in your terminal and you'll get the latest version of the Laravel. You want to specify the version of your project, just use this command. We'll be using this command to create our new project here. So now let us go to our folder, and here created this folder called Laravel Tuts. So just I'll go inside my folder, and here I click write bash. You can use your command prompt also here. So I use that git bash here for a better convenience here. So now we'll just copy that command here to create that. I have Composer pre-installed in my system. If you want, if you are new to Laravel, just click on this link, and you can just click here download and get started with it. So let's see, you click download and then download and run composer setup.exe. Just click this and it will get downloaded. So once downloaded, you are ready to use. So we'll copy this command here to create our new project with the 5.8 version of Laravel. So I'll just copy this and paste it in our git bash. Here we are here actually in this folder. We will just paste it here. Paste. This will be your folder name. So guys, I have changed my project name from logs to Laravel CRUD here, and once you put your project name here, hit enter and the project will start getting created over here. So once all this gets created, you will get a success message here, application key set successfully, and your project will be created in the directory. So you can see here Laravel CRUD is created. Let's go inside this. This is your Laravel project here. So I'll just open with code here. Open with code. So this is your basic Laravel file structure here. So it is don't get worried guys, it is very simple. It just works on MVC, Laravel MVC. So you will be learning how to use this in the further videos. So now let us see how to run this project here. So first open the terminal, and to serve your artisan, this is called like PHP artisan serve. There is a command PHP artisan serve. So this is to run your project here. So once you type this, hit enter, and you can see a message over here, Laravel development server started at HTTP, this is the localhost address :8000. So now let us go to our web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. So put localhost :8000 and hit enter over here. So once you hit enter here, you can see your project has started. So we got this page as the view. So now let us see from where is this page coming in our project. So here all your web design pages will be inside your resources folder under views folder. So here you have welcome.blade.php. So here you can see this is the page, and here is the Laravel which is written in that. So let us write here Laravel hello world. So save this file and go to your Chrome and reload the page. So you can see Laravel hello world. So in next video we'll see how we'll do the routing and the database interactions and all. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.